25%. 50%.
Woohoo! Look at that. See, I told you, man. They
Gear
fly
up.
great. Design, man. Sounds great. Oh, there's nothing like it.
5%. 50%. 50%. 2 minutes.
Sir?
25, 0.
Oh, well done. Woo!
I think that was pretty straight.
Well, you see how when you, as soon as you let off the throttle, right?
Oh, I know. I've been watching that. Whoa.
Warning, props are live. Please verify AS3X space at 25%. 0.
We're working out here.
25%.
Did you even use your flaps, Johnny?
0.
Not yet, no.
50%. Gear up.
I turned off the inside light being on when the doors open because adjustment on the elevator.
50%.
Because when I knocked the nose out, it turned out I had a 68 click. But they're very limited. You will get the
2 minutes. 50%. 50%.
Yeah, nope, that's all they do. They go to the emergency room. She went to the emergency, pulled out. I said, what?
25%. 50%. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6.
That's Chicago.
Oh, nice.
Woohoo! Good job. You know, the color guy sent his last message to them. You getting here? Man, how the hell do you find this shit?
Gear up.
And brought it back.
50%.
Yeah.
50%.
Down, see that?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's really nose heavy, I guess.
Give it a...
0.
What's a bolt? The bolt's on aluminum.
Okay, so if you put non-aluminum with a top and aluminum, you don't forget galvanic corrosion. It does fly. You think the T-birds are ever gonna fly a $1 billion airplane?
No.
What's that T stuff? T-45 keeping it.
Wind's coming for your back, right?
There we got it.
Wow.
Oh.
Ooh.
You got it. Hold it. Hold on. Okay. Almost off, you know. You land your airplane upside down. Wind's coming off. How do you use it? That was a micro. Yeah. And that was on the back. Oh, yeah. Same thing.
50%.
There he is.
Where you at? Okay, cool.
20 seconds. 0. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. Brake. Reverse full.
Okay, maybe it's just I haven't flown my course in a long time. Well, he's got another course in.
Gear up.
90 should have been.
50%.
You said that, but I don't. What's the big difference?
Lights, plastic all along the edges.
For what end?
50%.
People did not like that.
You guys
G limit disengaged.
the way I fly the
How much more you learn, of course. Three blades and then say
Time remaining 1 minute.
Here, right
Landing
here, when I
flaps.
touched this, I was like, oh yeah, it's warm.
10,
So,
9,
I'll have to be a haircut.
7, 6, 5,
It flies
4,
great at like
3,
60%,
2,
though, you know.
0.
I mean, heck, I can do all the overheads I want.
reverse
Look
full.
at the way that thing's spinning.
Let's check and make sure we got the door still.
yeah, both go there.
Gear up. G limit disengaged.
There you go. That's the way you take care. Oh, now see, I like that. That's the way I'm going to be flying. I like it.
Altitude 41.8
See,
feet.
see, Johnny knows what semi-scale is.
Everything that he does in that F-22, the actual F-22 can do.
Well, that's what I keep telling you, but no, you're like, oh, that's not scale.
Landing flaps.
You're gonna put a Buckeye together?
Yeah, man. I mean, you can't buy one, you know. I
Yes.
could probably buy
20, 0.
one of those Panthers or the what's the other one? The F-84 and some. I hope I get T2, but
Not liking that sunlight right there.